Did you know that the human body actually glows? We emit a very faint light, a form of bioluminescence, but it's 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can detect. And while we're talking about the body, here's something wild. Your brain can't feel pain. So when you have a headache, it's not your brain hurting, it's everything around it. Now picture this. The heart of a blue whale is the size of a small car. And some of its blood vessels are so wide, a small child could literally swim through them. And while you're living your daily life, just know, the average person spends 6 months of their life waiting at red lights. Yeah, half a year, just staring at traffic. If you thought this was crazy, drop a like and subscribe for more facts that will mess with your brain.